8 cool gadgets from Amazon that everyone wants to buy. You can literally buy anything from Amazon, but cool gadgets are extremely tempting to buy. It's hard to keep your mind away from them. Don't watch if you cannot resist the temptation. Number 8. JBL Party Box. Parties are incomplete without loud music and some jingles. JBL Party Box will energize your boring parties so everyone can enjoy them. The Party Box can light up according to the beats of the music, so every beat will make you dance. Connect your mic and guitar with it to impress friends with your outstanding skills. With this being a portable design, you can take it anywhere in the world. The Party Box app allows you to fully customize your Party Box. Get ready to experience a musical night that you have never experienced before. Number 7. Satechi Doc 5. In this era, almost every person in the house has an iPhone or iPad or MacBook. But what happens when you charge them all together? It clutters the table with messy and tangled up leads. This gadget is a perfect solution for people who love to keep things nicely laid out. Doc 5 is a multi-device charging station that keeps your smartphones organized. This charging dock can easily charge 5 USB devices. The silicone dividers step in between keep your product safe from any scratches. Number 6. Cooluli Beauty Mini Fridge. Cooluli solves a major problem for all skincare enthusiasts with its mini fridge. Keep your serums and skincare products cool in this mini fridge. It increases the shelf life of products. Don't worry, it won't cost a lot of electricity because of the EcoMax technology. As soon as the temperature of your fridge reaches 50 degrees Fahrenheit, it will turn up the Eco mode, saving electricity and money. Easy to remove drawers and adjustable shelves make it ideal to store your favorite skincare product inside this mini fridge. The product has 1-year warranty and excellent customer support. Number 5. Amazon Smart Plug. Do you wake up and want your coffee maker to start automatically while you are getting ready? You are lucky with Amazon Smart Plug, which makes it easier to control your electric devices. Control electrical appliances at your home with Amazon Smart Plug. Connect the Smart Plug with Alexa app on your smartphone to switch anything on or off as you desire. You can schedule your electrical appliances and lighting while away from home. It's a device that can make life much easier with its convenient features. What's more, you can track the energy consumptions of any connected device with the help of Alexa. Number 4. Biolite Fire Pit Plus. Outdoor camping is a wonderful way to spend quality time with friends and family. But no one likes the smoke that comes with a fire. That makes breathing hard, and it can be hazardous in some cases. Biolite offers a solution to this problem so you can enjoy a barbecue with your family. No stressing out about smoking and coughing. The central airflow system has integrated fans that inject the fire with air across 51 jets. That reduces the chances of smoke. It can change from smoke to spark within seconds. You can get a 360-degree surrounding view of this fire pit, making it unique and visually appealing. Unlike other fire pits, you can control the frequency of flames with the Biolite app. Number 3. DJI Avata. You have heard about drones, right? With DJI Avata, you get a real-time experience wherever your drone flies, capturing cinematic footage in 4K resolutions and high-resolution photos. Combined with DJI goggles too and single-handed motion control that operates just like a fighter jet. It's perfectly curated with easy controls that even a beginner can operate smoothly. No, it won't break by hitting any object. If it senses an obstacle in the way, it changes its directions while maintaining altitude. It has turtle mode and returns to home features. So, your DJI Avata never forgets the way back home. Number 2. LULULEMON Studio Mirror. Changing the way you look in the mirror? Stop complaining about your fitness journey and start it right now with the Mirror. Can't go to the gym because of anxiety, fitness issues, and so on? With Mirror, you don't need to go anywhere. Expert fitness professionals will guide you throughout your journey. You can watch live classes or in-demand classes at your convenience, track your progress, and get appreciations from the Mirror. After completing the workout, share it with your friends. Now everything you need is at your home. To start your fitness journey, all you need is a mirror. Number 1. Skydio 2 Plus. Skydio is your personal smart drone that will follow you wherever you go. Most Follow Me cameras have some sort of pin or object attached to the person, making identification easy. But that's not the case with Skydio 2 Plus. It locks onto you with the help of a camera. It's not only locking on you, but also noticing objects around you, so it doesn't fly into anything. With the Skydio app, recording setup can adjust to action sequences, outdoor adventures, or cinematic filming. How cool is that? Once you have finished recording, you can instantly share photos and videos with your friends with just one click. It's a perfect device for all adventurers, for people with a bigger picture. Subscribe.